Hello, in this video we show you how to replace the manual transmission oil on Pontiac Vibe. This car is using the C50 5-speed manual transmission. This is the transmission right there. On this transmission there is a drain plug which is right there, and a fuel plug, and which is also a level plug which is right there. Before draining the oil, always make sure you can remove the filler plug, because if you can't remove the filler plug, when you drain the oil you won't be able to fill the oil back in the transmission. So always open the filler plug first. The socket size for the filler plug and the drain plug is size 24. We're going to remove the filler plug completely to see if there is oil coming out of there. We can see there is some oil coming out, so that means that the transmission is filled to the maximum level. Next, we're going to remove the drain plug and drain the oil from there. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video, and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. In the description of the video, you'll find links to tools that I recommend for doing jobs like this. Once all the oil drains, next we're going to put on the drain plug and tighten it. Before I start putting the new oil in, first I'll show you the oil specifications for this transmission. The oil grade is 75W GL4 and the fluid capacity is 1.9 liters. Next I'm going to start putting on the new oil. This is the oil that I'm going to use, 75W. I'm going to use a hand pump to fill all the oil in there. This is my hand pump. I'm going to put that side of the hose into the filler hole, and I'm going to start pumping around 2 liters of oil into the transmission. When the transmission is to the maximum level with oil, oil will start flowing back from the filler hole. Once it starts flowing back from the filler hole, I can remove the hose and put the filler plug back on. We continue to pump until oil starts coming out of the level hole. Here we can see oil started coming out of the level hose, so now I'm going to remove the hose and put the filler plug back on. Once I put the filler plug back on and tighten it, then we're done with replacing the transmission oil on this car. Hopefully the video was helpful. Please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.